Well, this is Parrish Black of the Inner City Crusaders. Today is September 2nd, 2011. I am making a video about all the sounds that people are hearing all over the world. One of the things the most important thing that I received in all of my visions were sounds from the future, which I titled these sounds from the future as intuition sounds. This video will show other clips of people mentioning about hearing rumbling sounds, videos that record strange sounds from the sky. And I personally believe the strange sounds that I heard from the future and the strange sounds that people are hearing currently has something to do with Planet X, Comet Alien, and other things that come in our solar system, like the second sun.
This is disc 3, which is the final disc in Parrish prophecies. And disc 3 also contains Parrish future prophecies, which cover dreams from letter I to letter V. This is section 2, letter I. There are 6 stories in this piece that begin with the letter I. There's one dream about some kind of invasion into an American city. There's one dream about an invasion into the United States. And there's 4 intuition stories about a bombing sound, a loud sound, a nuclear event in New Jersey, and an explosion sound. The next number in this piece is the number 3. This piece is called section 2, one intuition story, or S2, 1IS. In the month of April 9th, 2006, I recorded this dream in my dream book. I don't understand, but this must have been the second or third time I heard a very loud booming sound in my spirit. I believe my intuition side of myself had reported to me about a coming booming noise that would be heard in New York, where I believe New Yorkers will say to one another, "Whoa, did you hear that? We hope it's not what we think it is." The next number in this piece is the number 4. This piece is called S2, 2IS. In the month of July 27, 2007, I recorded this dream in my dream book. As I calmed my spirit down so I could go into a meditative state, then immediately I picked up something in my spirit. My intuition began to report to my spirit that people will soon call a famous conservative talk show host, and that people will ask this particular talk show host about the loud sound almost everyone heard earlier. Then I remember I heard this talk show host say in my mind, information is still coming in about the loud sound people heard. I believe this famous talk show host was Rush Limbaugh. This is the number 1. This piece is called section 4, one intuition story, or S41IS. In the month of February 5th, 2009, I recorded this intuition story in my dream book. Today, while I rode inside the B46 bus, my intuition told my spirit, or my intuition revealed to my spirit, a very powerful, ear-piercing, rumble sound, which emanated from above me or in the sky. Then I said to myself, "Whoa." This rumble sound had vibrated every bone in my body for about half a second. This psychic incident took place at King Plaza. Time 5:30 p.m. The next number in this piece is the number 2. This piece is called section 4, 2 intuition story, or S42IS. In the month of March 18, 2009, I recorded this intuition story in my dream book. Today in the evening, as I walked around Court Street and State Street in downtown Brooklyn, I picked up what my intuition had revealed to me, a great booming sound, or an ear-piercing sound, which was felt from my head to my solar plexus, or chest area. This event also lasted about a half a second, time 8:17 p.m. Future Prophecy, Part 3. This 2. And this 2 is the final disc in Parrish Prophecy 3. This 2 covers dreams and intuition stories from letter B to letter W. This is section 6I. This is section 6, letter I. There are 10 intuition stories in this piece that begins with the letter I, number 2. This piece is called section 6, 2 intuition story, dream, or S62IS. In the month of August 10th, 2009, recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. Tonight, while I sat outside upon the stoop of my house, I suddenly picked up a powerful, explosive sound that came from the night sky above me. This explosion came from the eastern skies. Then after I heard this explosion, I found myself saying out loud, "Whoa." This psychic experience had happened at 10:50 p.m. The next number in this piece is the number 3. This piece is called section 6, 3 intuition story, 3 intuition story, or S63IS. In the month of August 11, 2009, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. As I sat upon my computer desk inside my home, I picked up a powerful sound in my mind or inside my psychic ear. The sound I heard sounded like a gigantic kaboom sound. The sound I experienced sounded as if the explosion was in the air around me. Time of incident was at 9:32 a.m. This is Parrish Future Prophecies for this 2. And this 2 is the final disc in Parrish Prophecy 4. This 2 covers dreams and intuition stories from letter A to letter Y. The letter I. This is section 8, letter I. There's one intuition story in this piece that begins with the letter I. There's one intuition story about a booming sound. The first number in this piece is the number 1. This piece is called section 8, 1 intuition story, or S81IS. In the month of December 4th, 2009, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. While I sat inside McDonald's restaurant, which is located on the corner of Gates Avenue and Broadway, Brooklyn, New York, my spirit had suddenly picked up a psychic booming sound or an explosive sound. This very loud booming sound was first picked up by my left ear before it finally rattled the whole left side of my body. The next letter in this piece is section 10, letter I. There are 27 intuition stories in this piece that begins with the letter I. The first number in this piece is the number 1. This piece is called section 10, 1 intuition story, or S10, 1IS. In the month of February 24th, 2010, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. Wednesday afternoon, as I sat at my computer desk watching 5-Star Video, which is a British pop group, on my laptop, I picked up a vision of a powerful flash of light appearing outside my window. And when this flash of light disappeared, I then heard a deep, bubbling sound that came from the sky above.